Garrett, say what's up to YouTube.
What's up, YouTube?
Little Garrett's first time on the river. Garrett, where the hell the fish at, bo?
Over yonder, but we ain't over yonder. We got fun.
Cause they ain't in here. Me and Garrett here can't seem to find a damn fish for shit.
Yeah, no. Caught one, but
He caught, wait, two bluegill.
yeah.
We trying for catfish now. We ain't catch shit at the first catfish hole. I don't know what the fuck going on.
Straight at me. Oh, it's a little one. Motherfucker, I was playing on my phone.
Garrett got active finally.
On camera too, I was playing on my phone.
I still can't get active for nothing. I don't know. At least you catching something.
I checked.
Throw it in there. Oh, there you go. That's a good cast. Keep your rod down out the wind. Oh, you got a bite. Set the hook. There you go. See? Look at you. That looks like a nice one too. You ain't set the hook, but you still got him. Damn, Zai, that's a nice one. Well, look at Zai. Check Zai out. Boy, that boy said he got him a slab, and I got it on camera. So I said he got him a slab. Careful, them bitches are pointy. Just push it down with your hands. They'll lay down if you push them down. There you go.
You got him good too.
Yeah, you did. Give yourself some slack in your fishing pole so you can work them better. Shit, let me throw in there where you was just at. Let me get some of that. Here, let me take a picture real quick before you throw them in there. Oh, don't drop them. You done dropped them already. You didn't set the hook, but it worked.
Yeah, second fish, nigga.
Boy, I don't like to set that damn hook.